Let's get right into it. Number 10. The Universal World Remote. Imagine a pocket-sized device shaped like a retro children's toy, with a cute pixelated dolphin on its screen that secretly commands the world's digital infrastructure. This is the Flipper Zero. Everything around you constantly broadcasts invisible radio waves. Hotel key cards emit frequencies when tapped against a lock. Gas station pricing signs use sub-gigahertz channels for wireless updates. Security doors scan employee credentials. The Flipper Zero quietly listens to these frequencies, clones them, and replays them on command. By capturing an unencrypted keycard signal floating through a lobby, you instantly possess a digital master key. One user walked into a retail store and broadcasted an infrared signal that turned off every displayed television at once. Another captured a gas station's frequency and changed the premium fuel price to 17 cents. The Canadian government tried to ban the Flipper Zero entirely, classifying it as a hacking tool. The legislation failed because cybersecurity professionals rely on the device to test vulnerabilities. Yet the reality remains. The same $170 product that helps an expert patch a hospital door system empowers an amateur to bypass it. Number 9. The Drone Net Bazooka. A strange surveillance drone is hovering over your fenced backyard, watching your family. You cannot legally shoot it out of the sky. Drones are registered as aircraft within the National Airspace Framework, meaning shooting one carries the same federal penalty as firing at a commercial passenger plane. To exploit this legal loophole, defense engineers invented a literal bazooka that fires a heavy-duty net. Rest the launcher on your shoulder, aim at the drone, and pull the trigger. A weighted web shoots skyward, wrapping the propellers. The electric motors jam, and it plummets. The legal workaround is what makes this device feel criminal. Laws forbid destroying an aircraft using ballistics, but they remain silent on casting nets into the sky that just happened to entangle one. Technically, you didn't shoot it down. Gravity did. You merely altered its aerodynamics. Professional models like the Skywall feature automatic targeting to track the drone's flight path. A deployed parachute guarantees the captured hardware floats gently to the grass, intact for police evidence. Number 8. The Invisible License Plate. Traffic cameras don't perceive the world like humans do. To cut through rain, snow, and darkness, they blast strobes of infrared light at passing vehicles to capture license plates. Exploiting this discrepancy, inventors engineered a clear plastic plate cover lined with microscopic glass beads. To the naked eye, it looks like a cheap weather guard, but the fractional second a camera flashes its infrared strobe, those crystals bounce all that light directly back into the camera's lens. The resulting photograph doesn't print your registration numbers. It prints a massive blob of overexposed white light. The camera is blinded by a weaponized reflection of its own flash. Sold openly on retail websites, these covers exploit a gray area loophole. Your plate remains readable to human eyes. If an officer drives behind your bumper, they read the metal flawlessly. Several municipalities have amended laws to ban any obstruction, but legislation in vast geographic strips simply hasn't caught up. Number 7. The Handheld Sun. A standard blowtorch cuts through metal using pressurized gas, but it takes substantial time. Imagine instead possessing a handheld sliver of the actual sun. This is thermite, a stable mixture of aluminum powder and iron oxide. Mixed and ignited, they spark a self-sustaining chemical reaction burning at 4,500 degrees Fahrenheit, more than twice the core temperature of volcanic lava. Engineers package this heat into a tactical device roughly the size of a thick fountain pen. Pull the safety pin like a grenade, and it projects a blinding jet of thermite fire, melting straight through a bank-grade steel padlock in 3 seconds. Terrifyingly, thermite burns underwater. The reaction generates its own oxygen supply. You could initiate it at the bottom of a flooded pool, and it would melt a sunken locker without skipping a beat. Marketed legally as emergency breaching tools for firefighters rescuing victims from cars, that same thermal power lets anyone slice through commercial security chains in seconds. Number 6. The Telepathy Speaker. Imagine standing alone in a crowded shopping mall. Suddenly, you hear a crisp commercial advertisement whispering inside the walls of your own skull. You look around, but nobody is speaking to you. Someone has aimed a directional acoustic beam at your head. Regular speakers push sound waves outward in all directions. A directional sound beam shoots ultrasonic waves, frequencies too high for human hearing to process. When these invisible waves collide with the density of your head, they slow down and decode into audible sound strictly at your eardrums. The effect acts like a laser pointer for audio. Stand inside the beam, and you absorb booming sound. Step 1 inch to the left, and total silence returns. The military used this technology to project tactical warnings into rioting crowds, making voices appear inside a ringleader's mind without altering the surrounding acoustic environment. Today, commercial entities employ parametric speakers to beam targeted advertising directly at individuals. Number 5. The exploding bike lock. Standard bike locks are a joke. A thief with a battery-powered angle grinder cuts through a heavy-duty steel U-lock in under 30 seconds. Inventor Daniel Idzkowski decided to build a lock that physically retaliates. The skunk lock looks identical to a standard hardened steel lock, but hidden inside the metal arch is a pressurized chamber flooded with a noxious chemical compound. If a thief grinds through the outer shell, their blade breaches that chamber. The lock explodes a pressurized vapor directly into the attacker's lungs. This isn't pepper spray. It's a putrid cloud engineered to trigger instant nausea, dizziness, and labored breathing. Hundreds of thieves have vomited straight onto the pavement. Some variants also blast a synthetic DNA solution onto the attacker's clothing. Under a police UV light, the criminal glows with a unique chemical barcode tethered to the lock's crime scene. Number 4. The Phantom Keyboard. You know how a uniformed delivery driver walking into a restricted lobby is never questioned? They wear the uniform, hold a clipboard, and bypass million-dollar security just by appearing to belong. This tiny device does exactly that, but to secure corporate networks. It's known in cybersecurity circles as a rubber ducky. Physically, it looks like a cheap USB flash drive you'd find at the bottom of a junk drawer, but the microsecond you plug it into a laptop, it lies to the operating system. It tells the computer, "I am not a storage drive, I am a human keyboard." Computers possess an unconditional trust in keyboards. An operating system will scan a plugged-in storage device for malware, but it never questions a keyboard. Once recognized, the device initiates typing at superhuman speed, executing over 1,000 malicious commands per minute. Before you move your hand off your mouse, the Phantom Keyboard has downloaded hidden files, disabled antivirus firewalls, and created a permanent backdoor for a remote hacker to walk through. Because the system believes an authorized human is typing fast, 0 security alarms are triggered. You can purchase one online, drop it in a company parking lot, and wait for human curiosity to destroy a corporate network. Number 3. The Speech Jammer. Imagine standing confidently at a podium in the middle of telling a captivating story. You're articulate and commanding. Suddenly you forget every word you've ever known, descending into a stuttering, helpless mess. That's what the Speech Jammer does to the human neural network. You point the handheld microphone gun at anyone speaking. It records their voice, processes it, and plays it back into their ears with a delay of about 0.2 seconds. That tiny delay destroys a person's ability to speak. The brain relies on hearing your own voice in real time to synchronize your vocal cords. When you perceive words lagging behind, your neurological system enters mild panic and attempts to correct the non-existent error. The result is stuttering, repeated syllables, and eventual silence. The phenomenon bypasses willpower. You physically cannot fight it. Ironically, confident people who speak rapidly get hit the hardest because their brains are functioning flawlessly, causing the delay to crash their processing rhythm harder. 2 Japanese researchers invented the device to silently shut down disruptive workplace conversations. Number 2. The Mosquito Laser. Mosquitoes kill vastly more humans annually than sharks, snakes, and all apex predators combined. They spread malaria and devastating tropical diseases across vulnerable populations. For decades, the accepted solution was dumping barrels of toxic pesticides onto healthy ecosystems. Then, the aerospace engineers who designed missile defense systems to shoot down nuclear warheads looked at that laser technology and asked an insane question. What if we targeted this at flying bugs instead? The result is an autonomous laser turret system called the Photonic Fence. It scans the open air using invisible infrared light, behaving like a paranoid security camera. The microsecond a flying insect breaches the perimeter, the laser tracks it. It analyzes the size of the flapping wings to identify the species. It can even differentiate between male and female mosquitoes based on their wing frequency. Since only females bite humans, the turret politely permits the males to fly away unharmed. Once a female target is established, the turret fires a concentrated pinpoint beam of light that vaporizes her mid-air. Number 1. The Skeleton Key Gun. Spy movies have ruined the public's perception of lockpicking. The smooth operator wiggles 2 metal prongs inside a deadbolt, and it clicks open in 2 seconds. In reality, manual lockpicking is a grueling tactile puzzle, demanding years of trained muscle memory. You must push microscopic metal pins incrementally upward while working blindly inside a pitch-black cylinder. Then, a mechanical tool circumvented the entire art form forever. It's called the snap gun. Shaped like a heavy pistol, You slide a steel picking needle horizontally into the keyhole. By squeezing the trigger, the internal mechanics slam the needle upward, impacting every internal pin at the exact same fraction of a second. Through raw kinetic energy transfer, all the pins are blasted vertically above the lock's internal shear line. It operates exactly like striking the bottom of a sealed jar to force the contents upward into the air. Before gravity forces the pins to fall back into place, the lock's cylinder is quickly twisted open. Zero locksmithing skill, tactile finesse, or experience is required to use this tool effectively. That's all for today. I'll be making similar videos in the future. Subscribe to see them.